another Fortnite emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. I'm going to be doing a contest on this emote right here. So here's the rules for this contest. Number 1, comment down below. Number 2, learn this emote and make a video of yourselves doing this and post it on Instagram. Use the hashtag DanceProfessor. And then I'm going to be choosing a winner by next Friday, and I'm going to announce it on my live stream. We're going to live stream at 3:30 p.m. Pacific time, and the winner is going to be gifted a free emote. So have fun learning this emote, guys. This is the Fortnite Gangnam style emote. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit those noties. That way you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me, guys, on my live streams. I have a free hip-hop class that's available to everybody. Even if you don't dance, come hang out and chill. It's all good. Y'all ready to learn this emote? Let's hit it. All right, Gangnam style. Now, this is a pretty easy emote, but there is one really tricky thing about it that's kind of like a coordination issue. So I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm going to break it down so that you can do this and make it look really, really cool, okay? So this is what's happening. First of all, take your right hand. You're going to cross it over your left, okay? And I want you to pretend like you got reins, like you know, you're on a horse and you got the reins of a horse, okay? But you're going to cross them, and you're just going to go down, down, down with those hands. Okay, I'm going to face it back so you guys don't have to reverse anything. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go right, left, okay? And the reason why you go right, left with your feet is because when you're done doing this and you go to face the front again, when you're at the side doing this and you go to face the front, that's going to be your 1 count. That's what sets you up to then start doing the other legs. So we call it a ball change in dance. It's just basically ball change right, left, okay? Right hand over your left hand, you're going to go down and 1. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hop, boom, okay? So the left knee is coming up, all right? Basically, the whole time that you're doing this, you're jumping like this, okay? You're coming, and it's not a big jump, it's like a gallop, okay? If you're gonna like, you know, gallop like a horse, all right? But you're not going 1 foot at a time. You're basically coming off the floor with both feet, but 1 foot is getting higher than the other, okay? So when you go 1, you lift the left, then you're gonna do your right foot, right foot, right foot. Then you're going to do your left foot 1 time. Now you're going to start the yeehaw move right here. So you're going to go yeehaw just on your left, and then 2 times on your right. That's where it gets a little tough on the coordination issue. So basically what's happening is you have 2 knees on both sides, okay? You're basically going left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, okay? That's basically what you're doing. It's your hands that change. So from the very beginning, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And your hand is going forward on the yeehaw. Okay? And just remember to stay low. You're coming up, but it's not a jump. It actually gets the heart rate up pretty quick when you do this. It's like, it's easy, but you're like, whoo! You're jumping the whole time. You know what I'm saying? Your left hand is in front. So after you do this, when you go to do the yeehaw, you just leave your left hand in front, just like that, okay? All right, let's try that again from the top. 6, 7, go. Left, left, right, right, left, swing, right, right. Then after that, you're gonna turn your body to the side. And when you do, I want you to kick your left foot out, okay? Fists come to your hips, shoulder comes up, boom, and boom, and boom. And that's basically what you're doing the whole time. Your feet are just going back and forth. So from here, you're gonna turn your body to the right and go hit and hit and hit and hit. The right foot doesn't move anywhere. You're just stepping down on it, but the left foot kicks forward, okay? So it's going boom, 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 just like that. How many times do you do that? Let's find out. You ready? Go from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! If you keep your knees bent like you're supposed to, I'm telling you, man, it turns into a little bit of a cardio workout there. All right, you guys, so that's how you break it down. If you need to, pause the video, go back, rewind it, play that a couple more times, okay, if it's getting a little tricky. Let's go ahead and let's do it with the music and the skins and with me. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fortnite Gangnam Style emote. I'm really looking forward to seeing your guys' videos and choosing a winner next Friday on my live stream at 3:30 p.m. Pacific time. So make sure you guys are there. I will see you then. Peace out.